Hello everyone. So ChatGPT is making a lot of noise, or you can say trending, in terms of image creation. How good image are getting generated using ChatGPT. Recently, some of the people have generated bills or bill copies using ChatGPT. Let's try to make one. So what we will do, open ChatGPT, ensure that it is updated. It will only work if you have updated your ChatGPT. So update it going to the Play Store or App Store. Once updated, you can open ChatGPT. You can write a prompt. So this is the prompt: create a receipt of restaurant named Tales and Spirits located in Balewadi High Street, Pune. Or you can change the name as well. The bill should be approximately rupees 3,000. Also include CGST and CGST and SGST. SGST tax of 9% each of total, so that it looks Indian, authentic, right? Once done, just go there and let's see how it happens. So you can see Tales and Spirit. Okay, this 3,000. Okay. Generate an image of the above bill with a stamp saying paid. Okay, here we go. So it is taking time, and also there is a restriction of creating an image. So in an hour I can create 3 images, if I'm not wrong. Yes, it matters on the subscription as well, because I'm using a free subscription of ChatGPT. But let's see how it goes. So I will just show you. Meanwhile, the one I have created, so this is it. So this was the prompt that we have given, and we have created this bit. So you can see the script, the receipt. Okay, it looks crumbled as well. So just to ensure that it looks original, not too good to be considered as an AI image. So here it is. So you can try making some receipts. Use it wisely. It is just for educational purpose. I'm not here to make things bad for me and as well as for you. So it is for educative purpose. So just to spread like how things are moving quickly and fastly when it comes to image generation using AI. Okay, it is still getting started. I think it will take time, but I've shown you. So you can generate images. So simple prompts. So I will share the information in the description, and that's it.